There's a thunderstorm.
I'm like really scared. And the power's out.
We don't know what we're gonna do.
We can die. We're gonna die alone. A painful death. Just the three of us alone.
I didn't even get to finish uploading that last video.
I know. It sucks. Okay. Who wants to go first for their will?
He does.
Okay. You.
No, you.
No, why me? In my last will, I want the two of these two to stop fighting and start deciding who's gonna go first. In my will, I leave everything to him.
In my will, I leave the editing job of all the videos to Sunico.
And it's my last will and testament. I claim everything these guys have already said.
I didn't even get to eat the last chow mein.
Oh no.
He ate it. He thought it was ramen.
I think the flashlight's going...
You know, actually, the dark's not that bad.
I guess not. You can get used to this. You could.
So what you guys want to do tomorrow?
Should we do this again?
Yeah.
If we live.
Yeah, if we live.
Cool. And look, the flashlight's back off.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Edit that part out.
Put it in the bloopers. Oh, it's going again.
Dude, that was beyond hilarious.